can we get into the curls? Look, come on, hit that wobble.
You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Asteria Hair. They would kind of send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got that new from Stella Rosa. Now it's not a new flavor, however, it is in a can. This is the Stella Rosa Blueberry in a can. I don't know if it's like a wine cooler or just wine in a can. I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and crack her open and we're gonna see. Let me go ahead and put her on the table because I don't want to spill her on the dress. Oh, I had her in the fridge chilling for a couple days. Let's see. It's pretty much wine in a can. Oh, let me be a little fancy with the pinky up. There we go. Y'all know I love the blueberry. Okay, you know I love it. Now, as always, I will be showing you guys the install of this unit, but I will also be giving you guys some insight on a new product that I tried today. And y'all, let me tell you right now, get them coins, okay? Get them coins together for the unit and the product. You hear me? So before we get into all that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
God. Do you remember the 21st night of September? Love was changing the minds of September. Chasing the clouds away. Hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing. As we danced in the night, remember how the stars stole the night away. We met God.
Okay, y'all, what we sitting like? I think we sitting nice. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Asteria Hair. It is their curly headband wig. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $136. Now, depending on the specs you get for this unit, the price can go up. This unit comes in 12 to 30 inches and 180% density. I got the 18 inches, and my unit is about $194. Okay, get the length that you want that'll fit your price point and go. I'm gonna tell you right now, the curls on this unit are juicy. Okay, juicy, soft, defined. This hair is gorgeous. This is like I want to say my third time working with this company, and every time I've worked with them, their hair is always on point. I never have issues with them because their hair is so nice, y'all. When I tell you I didn't have no tangles when I went in to co-wash my unit, y'all. Like literally I was gliding my hands through the unit as I was washing her because the curls were just so loose and so juicy and just Perfect, okay, perfect, y'all. I did trim the ends off my unit just because I've learned that with curly units, the ends are always frizzy. It don't matter what texture of curl, what brand of curl, the ends are always frizzy. So I'm just like, you know what? We ain't doing it today. So as you saw, I did trim my ends, and then I went in with my new product. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. It also has silk protein and neem oil. Y'all, I'm in love, okay? I am in love. Y'all know I stand normally for my Nairobi Wrap and Shine Foaming Lotion. I'm pretty much out of that joint. I've been using that for over a year, maybe 2 years now, but that does leave the hair crunchy for the most part. This joint right here, no crunchiness in sight, y'all. Who calling me? Hold on. Scam. What was I saying? Oh yeah, not crunchy, okay? Not crunchy whatsoever. Y'all, this joint is nice. I had no idea about this product, and I actually saw it from another YouTuber by the name of Always Amira. I'm in love, okay? Amira, thank you girl. Got the curls real soft and juicy and manageable. The curls are real fluffy, like it's very, very wearable. The hair texture is gorgeous. The ends are defined and gorgeous. The hair is not super frizzy. If I want to go in and kind of trim this up and give it like a wider look, more tapered look, I can definitely do that. The curls will look gorgeous like that. So impressed, okay? So impressed. This will definitely be one of my favorite headband wigs to date. The curls are just doing it for me, okay? They doing it, y'all. Now with the headband wig, you can wear headband scarves. You can wear the unit up in a ponytail if you want, so you can do some different styles with it. If I want to do like a little half up, half down situation, look at that. Those curls just look so nice. So nice, y'all. Ooh, they look good. Can we get into the curls? Look, come on. Yes, I like that, y'all. I think I got one strand of hair when I did the finger combing of this unit. Nothing crazy though. Like $130 can be a little bit more expensive for a headband wig. When you get up to that $200 range, it's kind of just like, ooh, I don't know. But y'all, this is some gorgeous hair, okay? It is some gorgeous hair. Again, I have a lot of headband wigs on my channel. I even have a playlist for them. So if this unit is not in your budget, don't worry. You can find a curly one that may be in your budget so you can try it out for yourself, okay? I'm just showing you guys what's available in this price point for a headband wig that may pique your interest. Got my little dress on, got my little wine on. I'm ready for the summer. Okay, I'm ready for a summer kickback. You hear me? Okay, I'm about to hit that wobble.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Okay, listen. Okay, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get these looks. Ooh, child, I'm here for this. Okay, I'm here for this. And I'm pretty sure with your order, you do get 2 free headbands. They did send me 3 different ones. They're real soft, stretchy, so you know, big domes like me can, you know, fit into these joints. Sometimes the headbands be a little bit too small and I'd be struggling, but this one, you can fit those, okay? Also sent me some real pretty scarves. Ooh, child, like, okay. Get fancy with it, okay? Get fancy with it. Listen, no headband shawty over here. I'ma rock the black band, y'all, just to give me that look, but she cute, okay? She is cute. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Asteria Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so you guys wanna check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.